Advance tax explained. Advance tax is the pay as you earn tax system. If your tax liability exceeds 10,000 after TDS, you're required to pay it during the financial year in installments. While it might seem like an extra layer of compliance, advance tax is a tool that can significantly benefit both taxpayers and the government. Installments are due on June 15, September 15, December 15, and March 15. Pay specific percentages of your total tax liabilities on these dates to stay compliant. Why is advance tax important? Number one, it reduces your financial burden, which means no lump sum payments at the end of the year. Number two, it helps avoid penalties because late or insufficient payments can cost you extra. Number three, it improves financial planning and helps you track your income and expenses quarterly. Number four, you get a refund opportunity. So if you overpay, the excess is refunded with interest. Who needs to pay advance tax? Freelancers and business owners, salaried professionals with rental income, capital gains, or FD interest, NRIs with taxable Indian income. Here's a quick fact. Senior citizens without business income are exempt and presumptive taxpayers under Section 44AD ADA pay only once on March 15th. You can pay the advance tax easily online through the income tax portal. It is fast, secure, and trackable. Advance tax is more than compliance. It's a tool for smarter financial planning. Need help on it? Consult a tax advisor today.